How to deactivate your Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can deactivate your Facebook account. Now to do so is pretty simple and pretty easy. First, open up the Facebook app and you'll get an interface like this if you are logged into your account. Head into the three-line icon that you can find at the top right corner of your screen just below the messenger icon. And here what you want to do is head into settings. And on settings, if you scroll down, you'll find the option under account, personal and account information. Simply tap on it and you'll find the option account ownership and control. Simply tap there and here you'll get the option deactivation and deletion. Tap on it and you'll get the option to either deactivate your account or delete your account. Simply tap on continue to account deactivation if you want to deactivate it, and you can type in any option and continue. And here you'll be able to set to your account to automatically reactivate or don't reactivate automatically, and then continue, and it'll ask you for your password and you can deactivate your Facebook account. So this way you can deactivate your Facebook account in 2023. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.